Imagine walking into your favorite shop and the owner remembers your usual order. That's how cookies work online. Cookies are tiny text files websites store on your device to remember you. They keep track of your preferences, login status, and shopping cart items, making browsing smoother. There are session cookies, which are temporary and disappear when you close your browser. Persistent cookies stay longer, remembering things like your login or language for future visits. Not all cookies are for your convenience. Third-party cookies, often from advertisers, track your activity across sites. That's why you see ads for products you browsed elsewhere. These tracking cookies build detailed profiles about you, raising privacy concerns. The data collected can be sold or used in ways you never agreed to. This has made cookies a hot topic in online privacy debates. Governments, including India's, are stepping in to regulate how cookies and your data are used. New laws aim to give you more control over your digital footprint. The goal: protect your personal information and ensure you know who's tracking you. Cookies can be helpful, but they also open the door to privacy risks. Understanding cookies is the first step to protecting your online privacy. India's Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023, or DPDP Act, is a game-changer for online privacy. It sets clear rules for how companies collect, store, and use your personal data. Consent is at the heart of the law. Organizations must ask for your permission before using your data. Personal data includes anything that can identify you, from your name to your IP address or cookie data. The law applies to any company handling your data in India, even if they're based abroad. You're the data principal. Companies are data fiduciaries responsible for your data's safety. They must be transparent about why they collect your data and how it's used. If they fail to protect your data, they face hefty penalties. The Act also creates a data protection board to handle complaints and enforce the rules. The DPDP Act puts your privacy front and center, making data protection a legal requirement. Before the DPDP Act, cookie consent was often just a vague banner accept or leave. Now, consent must be clear and specific and freely given. Websites can't use pre-ticked boxes or hide your choices. If a site wants to use cookies for tracking or advertising, it must ask for your explicit permission. You'll see clear options to accept, reject, or manage cookie preferences. Rejecting non-essential cookies must be as easy as accepting them. Essential cookies, like those needed for your cart or login, may not require consent. For analytics or advertising cookies, your approval is required. You can withdraw consent anytime, and websites must make it easy to change your settings. This gives you real control over how your data is used online. The DPDP Act turns cookie consent into a real choice, not a formality. What does this look like in practice? Imagine visiting a news site. Instead of a vague banner, you see a pop-up with clear choices: accept all, manage preferences, or reject all. Click Manage Preferences, and you'll see categories like necessary, analytics, and advertising cookies, each with a simple explanation and toggle. You can allow analytics cookies but turn off advertising cookies, your choice. Shopping online? The cookie that keeps your cart full is essential, but tracking cookies for recommendations now require your permission. If you change your mind, you can revisit the site's privacy settings and turn off tracking cookies anytime. The site must stop sharing your data with advertisers immediately. This flexibility is a direct result of the DPDP Act. You're no longer stuck with your first choice. Privacy is now an ongoing right. These changes make your online experience more transparent and give you real power over your data. The law ensures your consent is meaningful and easy to manage. That's a big step forward for digital privacy in India. The DPDP Act gives you powerful rights over your data. You have the right to access information. Ask any company what data they have about you and why. You can request corrections or even have your data erased if it's no longer needed. If your rights are violated, you can complain to the company's data protection officer or escalate to the Data Protection Board. You can also nominate someone to manage your data rights if you're unable to. These rights let you control, correct, or delete your data as needed. The law makes sure your data isn't just protected, it's yours to manage. Your digital privacy is now backed by real, enforceable rights. Laws help, but your habits matter too. Don't just click accept all. Review cookie preferences and only allow what's necessary. Regularly check and clear cookies in your browser settings. Block third-party cookies to stop cross-site tracking. Use privacy tools like VPNs and tracker-blocking browser extensions. Stay informed about your rights and new privacy threats. Read privacy policies, especially after updates. Being proactive and aware is your best defense in the digital world.